With constantly changing requirements, travelers today are finding themselves with an increasing amount of information and documentation. So, have you ever wished that you could find a way to keep all your travel information together in one location? With Planiversity's smart planning technology, you can. Travel today is different, and we know that, which is why we give users the tools to build a comprehensive travel packet. First, you begin by selecting your mode of travel and creating a detailed trip itinerary. You then have the option to build a travel schedule, add trip notes, locate resources that are close to your destination, such as hospitals, parking, emergency services, embassy, and more. Then, add as much or as little of your required travel documentation and digital copies of passports, licenses, itineraries, and much more. When finished, Planiversity does the work of organizing it all together into a single PDF document file, which can then be saved for offline access, emailed, or held securely in your account dashboard. Consider something cutting edge to make travel easier. Planiversity. Try it free.